sangguni ang Laico Lay Leaders Conference 2024. Kamusta buhay is indeed a beautiful time, an opportune time for synodality in the church. And in this time of synodality, we must not forget that it is the laity, kamo nga mga Laico, dili pare, dili madre, dili brothers. It is you, the laity, who holds much gift and contribution to the building up of the synodal church in our Cabustan diocese. Ibalo naman siguro sila sa Cabustan, no? Cagayan, Butuan, Surigao, Tandan, Malaybalay, diocese. Kahinumduman nga kamo nga mga Laico, you comprise the 99.97% sa tanan